To set a stop loss on the Charles Schwab app, you will need to have an account and be logged in. Start by opening the app and navigating to the trade ticket for the security you want to set a stop loss for. You can do this by searching for the security in the search bar and then selecting it from the results. Once you have the trade ticket open, look for the order type drop-down menu and select stop loss. A stop loss is an order that will automatically sell a security when it falls to a certain price, helping to limit your potential losses. Next, you will need to enter the stop price, which is the price at which you want the stop loss order to be triggered. This should be a price below the current market price for a long position, or above the current market price for a short position. You will also need to choose the duration of the stop loss order. This can be set to day, which means the order will expire at the end of the trading day, or good till cancelled, which means the order will remain in effect until it is filled or you cancel it. After entering the stop price and duration, you can review your stop loss order to make sure everything is correct. Make sure to check the security, stop price, and duration to ensure they are all accurate. Finally, you can submit the stop loss order and it will be sent to the exchange for execution. You can then monitor the status of the order in the app to see if it has been filled. It is a good idea to use stop loss orders as part of your overall risk management strategy, as they can help you limit your potential losses and protect your profits. However, it is also important to keep in mind that stop loss orders are not foolproof and may not always be executed at the exact price you specify. By following these steps, you can set a stop loss on the Charles Schwab app and help manage your risk in the markets. Remember to always review your orders carefully before submitting them and to monitor their status to ensure they are executed as intended.